In this example, I will show you how to multiply fractions. When we're multiplying fractions, when we're looking at an example like 2/3 multiplied by 3/4, what that really is saying is, what is 2/3 of 3/4? So for example, if I have a rectangular pizza, and let's say I have 3/4 of that pizza. So let me put my fourths in here. It's not going to be perfect, but hopefully you get the idea. So there, my pizza is split into 4 equal parts, or as equal as I was able to draw them. Now I'm going to shade in 3/4 because that's how many parts of the whole pizza I have. So I have 3/4 of the whole pizza. Now when it says 2/3 of 3/4, maybe I want to have 2/3 of the 3/4 of the pizza I have left for dinner. So how am I going to figure out how much that is? Well, then I need to split the fourths into thirds. And I'm going to do that by drawing a horizontal line across my vertical lines. Now my 3/4 is split into thirds, and now I'm going to shade 2/3 of that 3/4. So if you look at what's shaded in yellow, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts that are shaded, and there are 12 total parts in the pizza. So that tells me that 2/3 of 3/4 equals 6/12. So 6 out of the 12 total pieces of the pizza is what I would be having for dinner that night. Now, we can transfer this knowledge into the standard algorithm for multiplying fractions, which I will show you now. So here I'm rewriting my problem, and the standard algorithm says that when you multiply fractions, you multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So if I'm multiplying here, 2 times 3 would equal 6, 3 times 4 would equal 12, and then that would equal 1/2 if I simplified, because 6 and 12 are both divisible by 6. Now, I can also simplify that multiplication before I actually do my multiplying, so I don't have to simplify at the end. So if I look at 2 and 4, they have a common factor of 2. So I can cross off the 2, make that a 1, and cross off the 4 and make that a 2, because 4 divided by 2 equals 1. And then 3 and 3 also have a common factor, which is 1. So I can replace those 3's with 1's, and then now I can go back to that traditional algorithm, multiply across, and again, my product is equal to 1/2. So I have 1/2 of the total pizza. So 1/2 of the total pizza is 2/3 multiplied by 3/4. So that's multiplying fractions. Thanks.